Hello. Instead of Lego my ego, Lego mitosis.
Not your tosis, my tosis.
Are you recording this?
Or
Other.
Got lost there for a minute.
The biology world of America has been wondering what the presidential candidates know about mitosis.
There's been talk lately of a phenomenon called mitosis. When I was in Vietnam, we were taught the process of mitosis, so I know what it is, which is a fundamental difference between myself and Senator Obama. The first phase is interphase, which may appear to be a resting stage, but cell growth, replication of the chromosomes, and many other activities are taking place during this time. Near the end of interphase, just before the cell starts into the other stages of mitosis, if the cell is an animal cell, the centrioles replicate so there are two pairs. At this time, the strands of DNA that make up the chromosomes are unwound within the nucleus and do not appear as distinct chromosomes. That's right, my friends. Thus, at this stage, the genetic material is often referred to as the chromatin. From here, the cell goes through all other stages of mitosis.
All I got to say after my opponent's recent statement is please make a taco, which happens to stand for prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. All are stages of mitosis. You already heard of interphase, which is the first stage. But let me tell you of prophase, which is when the chromosomes start to coil, shorten, and become distinct. In animals, the centrioles begin to migrate to the poles of the cell. The meiotic spindle, or polar fibers, begin to form from the poles of the cell towards the equator. In animals, this starts as esters found around the centrioles. Eventually, the spindle mechanism finishes growing towards the equator and interacts with the centromeres to line up and later move to chromosomes. Also, at this time, the nuclear envelope starts to disintegrate.
Get some water first. That's good. The third stage of mitosis is metaphase, which is characterized by the lining up of the chromosomes along the equator of the cell, or what is called the metaphase plate. The nuclear envelope has totally disintegrated, and the polar fibers have reached the centromeres of the chromosome and have began interacting with him. That's right, my friends.
In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate at the centromere. Thus can now be called chromosomes. These are pulled to the poles of the cell by the meiotic spindle.
The fifth stage of mitosis is telophase, which is the new daughter nuclei and nuclear envelope start to reform in the chromosomes uncoil. Telophase frequently includes the start of cytokinesis. Starts with a cleavage furrow or indentation around the middle that eventually pinches in, dividing the cell in two. In plants, cytokinesis begins with a series of vesicles that form at the equator of the cell, which subsequently join until the cell is divided into two. Thank you.
Jackrabbit.
I forgot where I'm going.
The debate has ended. Thank you.
What's the problem, sir? It looks to me like you have a sleeping Mexican in your backseat. We cannot do this. I just need a cow.
No!